we're making cookies, but it's not just any type of cookie. This cookie has a secret ingredient. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero, and we're gonna show you how to make peanut butter chip miso cookies. Let's get started. So miso paste is a traditional Japanese seasoning that is made from fermented soybeans and salt. So it has this salty flavor. And normally you use it in more savory dishes, but we're gonna be adding it to these cookies. And it produces the best flavor to these peanut butter chip cookies. We're gonna start by whisking together our dry ingredients. So in a medium bowl, add 1 1/4 cups of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk that together until everything's combined, set it aside, and then let's move on to our wet ingredients. So in a large bowl, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of softened butter. Make sure your butter's unsalted. 1/3 cup of brown sweetener of your choice. I'm gonna be using a monk fruit blend sweetener. 1/4 cup of just plain white sweetener. So once again, I'm gonna use a monk fruit blend sweetener. And then 2 tablespoons of white miso paste. You wanna mix that together until it's fluffy and combined. And then we're gonna add in 1 egg along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Once that's mixed, we're gonna slowly add in our dry ingredients using a spatula, and then fold in our peanut butter chips. I'm gonna be using ChocZero's new line of peanut butter chips. These are so good. The peanut butter just really works well with the miso flavor here. So it's 1 cup of peanut butter chips going in. Mix that in, and then we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for 1 hour. This just helps the flavors kind of meld together. Plus we want the dough cold when we go to bake it. Scoop this onto a parchment lined baking tray, and then we're gonna bake it in a 350-degree oven for around 12 minutes. Once they're done baking, let your cookies cool on the cookie sheet for a few minutes until you can safely transfer them to a wire rack. But don't pick them up yet because they're still super fragile. You have to let them cool completely before you pick them up. But don't worry, they're still gonna be super chewy and delicious. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your peanut butter chip miso cookies.